Our chain finally came in, running with the 420 chain. Hopefully it'll be strong enough to push this heavy beast. And our 12mm cable sleeve came in. You can get a huge roll of this on Amazon for not a lot of money, and it looks a ton better than the plastic conduit stuff. So my project for today, I think I'm gonna try to cut off the shock mount off of the original stubby swing arms. This cart had a independent rear suspension that was completely blown, and all the bushings and bearings. It just wasn't worth it to try to fix it. So this is a much better, more reliable setup that I'm building now. I think these little tabs we cut off are gonna work perfectly good. While I was looking for something to do, I machined out this Go Power Sports axle sprocket hub. And I wanted to make it work with this 150cc go-kart rear brake rotor because I got the complete set. So I did have to enlarge the holes to 3/8, which wasn't very difficult to do. And I think I got it pretty well centered. So last night I was getting a little bit tired of the drips on the ceiling dripping down onto this bare metal and rusting it. So I did shoot a little bit of primer on the exposed metal that I'd worked on already. Still not completely stripped down, but we're getting there, and then we can primer and paint the whole thing. Right, just got this tack welded on. I love it, I love it, I love it. So smooth. I'm gonna be adding these gussets to the wheel bearing hangers. I think it'll look pretty sharp.
The next day.
the U-welded kit from Go Power Sports 1-inch and the mini RLV muffler. So I got that all welded up and cut down to how I like it. The little muffler is a 10mm bolt. Let's crank that little guy down. And then I'm gonna be reusing our stock gasket since I never ran the motor with the old exhaust. It's still good to use. And remember these from my MR2 project. These are the M8 Nord locks. They're very expensive, but totally worth it if you want something to never come apart again. And I prefer these over the red Loctite. That was so awesome.